the end of the world. It's a topic that has captivated humanity for centuries. From ancient prophecies to modern science fiction blockbusters, the idea of our planet meeting a cataclysmic end is both terrifying and strangely alluring. But how much of this is Hollywood hype and how much is based on scientific reality? The truth is, our planet faces real threats both from within and beyond our atmosphere. Understanding these potential dangers is not about succumbing to fear, but about facing the future with open eyes and a commitment to safeguarding our existence. By exploring the science behind these potential apocalypses, we can better understand the challenges we face and work towards a safer future. Let's delve into the fascinating and sometimes unsettling world of planetary threats and separate fact from fiction. Our planet is a force of nature in its own right, capable of unleashing incredible power. While these natural processes are essential for life, they can also pose significant threats to our existence. Volcanoes, for instance, are a necessary part of Earth's geological cycle. However, a supervolcanic eruption, thousands of times larger than any eruption in recorded history, could have devastating global consequences. Such an event would release massive amounts of ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, blocking out the sun and causing a volcanic winter that could last for decades. Climate change, another example of Earth's power, is already impacting our planet. While it might not cause an immediate planet-wide apocalypse, the long-term effects of rising sea levels, extreme weather events and mass extinctions could ultimately render Earth uninhabitable for humans. These natural disasters remind us that we are not invincible. We are part of a complex and powerful system, and our survival depends on respecting and understanding the forces at play. Ironically, one of the biggest threats to humanity's survival comes from within ourselves. We have developed technologies capable of incredible destruction, and the consequences of their misuse could be catastrophic. Nuclear weapons are perhaps the most immediate and terrifying example. A full-scale nuclear war would not only result in unimaginable death and destruction, but also trigger a nuclear winter. The massive amounts of soot and smoke released into the atmosphere would block sunlight, leading to a global cooling effect that could last for years. Environmental destruction is another example of our capacity for self-destruction. Deforestation, pollution, and the depletion of natural resources are pushing our planet to its limits. While these actions might not cause an immediate Hollywood-style apocalypse, they could lead to a slow and agonizing decline of our civilization. These man-made threats highlight a sobering truth. Our technological prowess has outpaced our wisdom. It is crucial that we learn to use our knowledge responsibly and find sustainable solutions to the challenges we face. Section 4. Cosmic Threats. Dangers from the Great Unknown. While natural disasters and man-made threats pose significant risks, we must also consider the dangers lurking in the vastness of space. Our planet exists in a cosmic shooting gallery, and while collisions with celestial objects are rare, they are a constant threat. Asteroid impacts, for example, have shaped the history of our planet. While most asteroids burn up in the atmosphere or land harmlessly in the ocean, a large enough impact could trigger a global extinction event. Solar flares, another cosmic threat, are sudden bursts of energy from the sun. While they pose no direct threat to life on Earth, they can disrupt our technological infrastructure, causing widespread blackouts and communication failures. In an increasingly technology-dependent world, such an event could have devastating consequences. These cosmic threats remind us that we are just a small part of a much larger universe subject to forces beyond our control. While we cannot prevent these events, we can invest in research and technology to detect and potentially deflect them, increasing our chances of survival. Section 5. Facing the Future. Preparedness and the Power of Knowledge. The end of the world may be a popular topic for sensational headlines and doomsday preppers, but it is not a foregone conclusion. While we face real threats, we also possess the ingenuity and resilience to overcome them. Investing in scientific research is crucial. Understanding the science behind these potential disasters allows us to develop early warning systems, mitigation strategies, and potentially even methods for deflecting asteroids or reversing the effects of climate change. But knowledge alone is not enough. We must also be prepared to act on that knowledge. This means implementing sustainable practices, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, and working towards a more peaceful and cooperative global community. The future of our planet is not predetermined. It is a future we must actively shape through knowledge, innovation, and a collective commitment to safeguarding our existence. The end of the world is not inevitable. It is a choice we make every single day.